What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to disassemble to get mod parts in Once Human. It's a little bit confusing, but it's actually super simple. Head across to your closest disassembly bench. Don't mind the ghost here, it's just a glitch. Using this here, we'll head across to the mods tab on the far right, and in here, we'll select any one of your gear mods that you want to take apart. When you do so, you'll get armor mod parts or weapon mod parts, etc. Selecting any one of these, we can disassemble it. Just like that, we should have now completed the quest, or at least when we get the right things. So we'll try these. Okay, well, weapon parts seem to work. It seems like armor mod parts didn't work, but anyways, disassembling those should help you get what you need done. Then, for enhancing any mod, head across to your inventory, followed by mods at the very top. Find anything you want to enhance here, such as, let's see, melee damage +8. That sounds good. We'll right-click it and hold F to enhance. By doing so, we'll use the parts on this mod and upgrade it. There we go. Enhance to a maximum 1 out of 1, and you'll see which one it is by the number next to it. Now we can go ahead and apply it to a weapon or anything like that, but that's not necessary in order to complete these 2 bits of the quest. Anyways, hopefully you found that video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.